3 amazing facts about axolotls you didn't know. 3. Incredible regeneration powers. Axolotls are one of nature's most remarkable regenerators. When an axolotl loses a limb or sustains injuries, it can fully regrow them, including parts of its brain and heart. 2. Fascinating water aliens. Axolotls are a type of neotenic salamander, meaning they retain their juvenile features throughout their lives. Their unique appearance includes feathery external gills and large, expressive eyes. These captivating traits have earned them the nickname water aliens and made them popular subjects of research and admiration. 1. Unraveling cannibalistic behaviors under certain circumstances. Axolotls may exhibit cannibalistic tendencies. When subjected to stress, limited resources, or overcrowded environments, larger axolotls might resort to consuming smaller individuals or even parts of their own body as a survival strategy. Understanding these behaviors sheds light on their adaptability and ecological dynamics. And here are